everyone, and we are going to discuss about some storage in this video, and also we will talk about an optical drive and the ports. So USB flash drive is one of the storage systems and solid state drives, and you have a compact flash cards and XD picture cards, and you have a micro and small enterprises MSES and secure digital cards and MMC. So these are the very commonly used storage what we use actually in daily life, and a solid state storage also include some of more devices here, and some pictures for the type 1 card. So SanDisk 1 gigabyte compact flash card, that is a type 1. Type 2 we used to have for network cards and modems when we had 56K speed with the modem, and that time we were using, and also we were using type 3 card with the laptop. So I'm talking about the laptop type 1, type 2 and type 3. So type 3 for the laptops we were using for hard drives, and now we use USB. As we know, USB 3.0 is the fastest. Even 3.1 is latest one, very fast USB. 3.1 is the current technology, which is not very famous or popular at this time, but 3.0 is very widely available. And then you can have a flash card reader or compact flash card, fits in the slot, and you have all in one in a lot of motherboards built in, or in a lot of laptops. And these are the USB adapter connects, adapters, USB compatible. So the one you see right now, it is the old USB white color USB 1.50. You have a 2.0, then you have a 3.0. This is the black port for USB 2.0. Then you have a blue for USB 3.0. And we talked about optical drive in the past in previous videos, and this is a DVD. And now you see these kind of Blu-ray discs and regular CD-ROM, which is not a very widely used fashion for CD-ROM at this moment, but still we have a lot of laptops come with a DVD writable DVD burner. And the ports what you see, these are the built-in ports, just to reduce a lot of complexity inside of the motherboard. We have these all ports built into the motherboard for desktops or for the laptops. And from left to right, if I go here, you have a mouse and keyboard ports. These are a mini DIN. Then you have a serial port. It's called a D as in David, B as in boy, DB9, 9 pins, male ports or serial ports. And you have this a video port, display port, video. This one end basically has 3 rows and 15 pins, and that is used for a regular VGA, video graphic array. And you have here USB, built-in USB ports, and RJ45. RJ stands for a registered jack, and that is used for networking. So you talk to the whole world using this RJ45 port actually. So that could be a 100 megabits per second, or 1 gigabit per second, or could be 3 gigabit per second. So it all depends on. We used to have 10 megabit, 3 megabits per second, very start time if you go back 20 years ago. And then you have a multimedia port. Simply I could say this is a sound card. And then you have a sound card, and you have a parallel port that is used for printer. And I don't know why we do have this again built in into the very newest motherboards in 2016, but the thing is that we use USB or we use wireless, and we also can use a network card, actually another additional port to use a networking printer, so that could have an IP address on it. So these are the couple of components what you see on the back of your PC or built in onto your motherboard. And this is a back side of a system unit which has already placed motherboard ready to go, and that's how you see the USB connectors. And you see here some cables going on. This could be a RJ45 or some other type of cable which is not very visible here. And you have a serial port, video card, parallel port, and you have that's good, looks like a USB as well. Then also you have these keyboard and mouse ports as well from the power supply connector, a single fan on the back of your motherboard. So these are few things visible what I was showing to you. Serial connections, 25 pin serial port on a serial device. This is a device, and you could say this could be a cable, this could be a external modem, which is not a very good fashion at this time in 2016, but this is a 25 pin. One end, the other end could be here 9 pin, D as in David, B as in boy, DB9. 25 pin end of serial cable connects to modem, and 9 pin end connects to a computer's serial port. So now you may not see two built-in DB9 serial ports, but you might gonna see a single one port. And this is the connection about the printer parallel cable. So this is a DB25 female parallel connector, and one end is 25 pin, the other end is a 36 pin connector that goes on to the device side. So that device could be a printer, for example, and it is also known as a Syntronics 36 pin Syntronics. So these are the connections of the parallel connections from the same system units backside. So I will continue to explain few more things about the motherboard, and before we move on towards our 220-902 lectures, where I will actually show you in reality my virtual environment. So you will see all of those demos live with all examples after these lectures. So keep browsing around with my lectures, and you will be uh, enjoying, I hope, and you will enjoy my hands-on labs as well. So you will see a lot of more new surprising things coming on. So you have a long way to go and a lot of things to learn. Thank you for watching this video.